To get started, we'll place some 1/4-inch pads to center the door into the opening. Next, we'll start throwing some shims on top. You'll work top and bottom first, getting it plumb. Use your level and slide the shims until it's solid contact against the back of it to fill your second and third hinge placements. As you can see here, it's perfectly plumb. Now we'll use our skill saw to go ahead and clip those shims, check the ground for level. We'll bring the door over into the opening, keeping the door on the jamb. And we'll get started by nailing off the top right here, checking the jamb for plumb. And once you get that, you can go ahead and start nailing off more on your shims. A good reference for level is always your strike plunge mortise to your strike plate mortise. Once you get all that, you'll go ahead and start shimming off the strike side. We'll start at the top, we'll work down to the strike right here, and once you get that, we'll go ahead and clip the shims all along the jamb. As you can see here, we end up with perfect reveals on the strike side, across the headpiece, and down the hinge side as well. And as we hop into the inside here, you can see that we have solid contact against the doorstop throughout the strike side, the headpiece, and the hinge side as well.